Well, if there was one very important lesson I learned today in drone photography, after flying for about 20 minutes, I realized I forgot to turn the camera on. Something I've been meaning to do for a long time, and I finally got around to doing it. I've talked about it and talked about it, and it's done. Today, I received my package from China. In that package, my drone. It shipped a little over a week ago. It made its rounds. And the FedEx guy that showed up today was dressed in battle gear, gloves, mask, hat, sunglasses, full protection mode. And I asked him if is it possible that there could be a coronavirus living on that package. He says, possibly, sir, up to I think he said up to 2 weeks. Well, I don't know, but I didn't take any chances, so I completely wiped the box down. This is my drone. I've been waiting for this thing for a long time, and I finally just got around off my butt and ordered the thing, so I'm going to unbox it today, right now. Ta-da! I got the Mavic Mini with the Fly More combo, which comes with extra batteries. Comes with 2 extra batteries, charging base, prop guards, and carrying case, and multi-charger. I think it's a multi-charger, and the drone itself. So now I got to get to work and learn how to use this thing. There's the case. That's got the drone in it. Prop guards. 2 prop guards. Nothing else. Wall charger. Charging cables, maybe. Literature. This has got to be the batteries. Yep, 3 batteries. Nice little carrying case. And this thing is small. Look how small that thing is. Wow. Got a lot of unwrapping and a lot of stickers to take off. This, I'm guessing, is the charging base. Yep. 3-port charging base for the battery. Charging cables. More charging cables. Charging adapter. Cable, adapter. And controller. Looks like this is the controller. Yep. Now I've got to put it all together and figure out how it works. Guam, by the way, just announced yesterday that it tested its first 3 coronavirus cases. 2 persons arriving from the Philippines were tested as positive, and another on-island person who did not travel but was apparently exposed to the virus through a traveling family member. So everything pretty much shut down today. So there's only one thing to do now, and that's to practice some sort of self-quarantine. I'm not going to stay in all the time, but I'm just going to be careful when I go out. But everything's shutting down. Even the bowling alley has just announced today they're closing down for 2 weeks. The Navy gym tomorrow is closing. So we don't know how long things will be closed. We've got plenty of food, we got plenty of water, we got beer. We don't need much. So I've got a week or so to play with my new toy. One battery. Two control sticks. One smartphone. Well, if there was one very important lesson I learned today in drone photography, it works a whole lot better when you switch the camera on.